Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your daily energies and love energies, Scorpios. Eight of Cups. Three of Wands reversed. Wheel of Fortune. Four of Pentacles. Judgment. Scorpios, with these cards, the energy is that whatever situation or people you were thinking that they were working against you guys, they are just going to disappear. So things are going to dissolve, whatever problems you were facing in your life. Maybe what to say, like maybe some situations or some people who were causing troubles you would have felt in your life, that is going to come to a end, guys. You're going to end all your troubles today, Scorpios, and you are just going to celebrate. You are going to feel very lucky and happy this day, and for how things are going, guys. Maybe some of you all are planning on some kind of investments, some properties, and maybe some people are going to gift you somebody, maybe your friend or your person. They may be coming with some valuable gifts, guys, and whatever is happening today, you would feel what to say, destiny's hand. Something is going to unfold in your life and it is for the good. You feel destiny is working today in your life and things are happening as they should happen, guys, and you really feeling lucky because of that and fortunate for how things are taking place today, guys, and you're really happy. Maybe for some of you all, you may be changing your place, your residence, or you may be moving to a different place or a city, or you may be, what to say, in work. You may be going to a higher post in work, or in your relationship your person will give you a different place, maybe with respect, with more love. That may be the energy here. They may want to get committed to you. They may this relationship may take a serious turn also, guys. So that may also be the energy here, Scorpios, with these cards. And you are going to be really happy today. That is what I see here, and a very happy outcome, victorious. You are going to feel victorious today. And for some of you all, you may be meeting with friends, sharing your happy memories with them, having a good time, and spending quality time with your person. That may also be the energy here. And you are overcoming all your disappointments and whatever negative feelings you were having for the past few days. You are surely going to overcome all that, guys. And whoever you feel was your adversary, maybe some situation or maybe some person, they are just going to change, or they are just going to what to say, disappear from your life. So that is the energy here, Scorpios. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here. It will give us more clarity in our situation, guys. Let us see what is coming with these cards, Scorpios. Heart, Moon, Cross, Ship, Sun. You can see the cards, guys. With these cards, Scorpios, whatever you were feeling, whatever burdens and whatever sacrifice you would have done till now in your life, for your work or for your relationship, whatever it is, you are going to overcome all that hurt you had faced in your life, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you would have tried something new and you wanted to take up some new venture or something of that sort, and you would have felt really, what to say, no means to start it, or the inspiration or the needs, whatever you need to start that on that path. You would have felt that you did not have the what to say, whatever you required to start on that path, maybe. And today you will overcome all that, guys. You are going to get the means to go on the path to reach your goals. So whatever it is, this is a very positive card. So I'm seeing that you are starting on your new life. Some new beginning is coming your way. Maybe for some of you all, you may be traveling to the place you like, somewhere with your person, with your family, or alone, some kind of journey. This can be an emotional journey also, something you were going through in your past. You are reaching some kind of a solace in your heart, something that is comforting you, guys. Some point, some kind of acceptance is there within yourself. So something is coming in to change how you look at your life, guys. And maybe all the sacrifices you made till now, all that pain you experienced, it is going to be replaced by inspiration, confidence and optimism. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. And you are going to feel really what to say, magical. Maybe you will be guided by your intuition. In whatever situation you want to decide, you will have a gut feeling about things, guys. So you may feel that you need to do it, so you will go ahead and do it, guys. And major improvements are happening in your life. And also in this relationship, this may be a karmic cycle, guys. This association with this person, maybe a karmic one, a destined connection. You would have felt that you knew this person already when you first met them, guys. And that may be the energy here. And that is the energy with these cards, guys. So overall, it is a very happy day for you all, Scorpios. You are going to feel inspired, optimistic, and maybe some of you all may be reflecting within yourselves what you need to do based on your past experiences and the current state today, and what steps you need to do in your future. So you have a clear idea of your goal and whatever you want to reach in life, guys. So that is the energy here. And maybe in your relationship also, you are communicating with your person and you are planning your life ahead with them, what responsibilities you need to shoulder and what you need to do in your life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let us see what is the angels guidance for us today, guys. What is the angels guidance today, Scorpios? Be free. So sometimes in life, guys, we are thinking about the past, whatever happened in the past, and we feel really sad. We feel the fear to do or say things what we want to say truthfully. So sometimes we do not express ourselves. We just go based on our conditioning. We say things which other people like, and we do things what others do like us to do, and in the long run we just forget what we need and what we need to do. So you should be courageous enough, strong enough to express whatever we feel in a heart of hearts, and we should be able to do what we want to do. So when we do that, many opportunities will come our way, and we will and the challenges we face in life will just help us to grow and express ourselves even further. So we need to be fearless, without shame, to speak what we want to do, what we think in our mind, whatever we want to do, we should be able to do, guys. So that is the energy with this cards. So that is the angels guidance for today, Scorpios. So you need to speak the truth from your heart, and you need to do the actions which you truthfully want to do. So that is the energy here, Scorpios. So you will be guided by intuition, guys, and destiny is playing a strong role today. So things are turning favorably for you guys. So that is the energy here, and that is the reading for today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.